Nerf gun siguro dito. Nerf gun na ano. Yung bala ng Nerf gun. Plantain ito, oh. Plantain and mango. How many mango? Here. Big like you. May kasaba sila dito. Ayoko na ng kasaba. Kauubos ko lang ng ano. Oh, roses. Watermelon. Chamoy pala ito. Sarap itong chamoy. Bila ko ng chamoy. Sarap ng watermelon. Kailangan daw yung yellow na yellow. Dark orange. Sama yung isa.
Where's your steak?
Oh, $37. But how much you pay at the Filipino?
You know how much I pay.
Oh, T-bone that it's fat. Tomahawk, tomahawk, tomahawk ribeye steak, $37.
You had a good one?
It's
You had a good one?
same thing. I cooked steak. That's maybe I'll better pick this one. No bone, cause you buy the bone. Which one is nice?
There's 3 steaks right there.
40.
There's 3 steaks.
This one is big or small?
If you're going to be mushroom, get asparagus. They like steak with asparagus.
Okay, girly.
No, you don't.
No, I like both.
Okay,
This
give
pie
it-
is old.
Yeah, it is a little bit.
Old, it's not fresh. What happened? What happened? What happened? Tell Mama. What happened? What happened? What happened?
Wow, Mom, this looks great.
It's our brunch.
Thank you for the steak.
Breakfast and lunch. Brunch, Hadan. It was what? Tell me, what is it?
It's steak, bell peppers, asparagus, and mashed potatoes with gravy. We are living large. Yay!
Yeah. Where we bought the steak. After Zumba, yeah. Let's eat, guys. Say, kain po tayo.
Let's go.
Let's go eat, guys.
I love my beers.
So good, huh?
Delicious.
Kape naman po at saka minatamis na saging na may langka. Ito ay may langka yan. Oh. Pagkatapos kumain ng steak, mashed potato at saka yung gulay, yan, magkape naman at minatamis. Kain tayo guys. Ano na? 2:29. 2:30 na ng may swimming lesson pa mamaya ang mga batuta. Kain tayo. Which door, Dad?
Put your big foot in there. Push my hand off this.
Ito yung in-unboxing kong mga item na free. Free lang po ito, dalawang ano. Oh, may cup siya, may measuring cup na kasama, dalawa. Ito yung container na may measuring cup. Ito ay free ko lang sa Temu kasi umorder ako ng blanket. Yung isang set ng ano ba yun? Bedsheet na may blanket. 3 nito, 1 liter ata ito. Tigbo 1 liter na container. Ito 1 liter din ito. Oh, 2 liters. 2 kilo. Kapag ka naglagay ka ng bigas, kasi lagay ng bigas ata ito. 2 kilo. Tapos ito 2 kilo din. Mga free yan. Free from Temu. Order. Libre lang yan sa akin kasi may points ata ako. Kasi bumili ako nung tig $45 ata yun na ano, big blanket.